what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily use extensions in your Google Chrome just by using your mobile phones. So let's head over to the Chrome app. Just click on this three dot button, scroll down for a little bit, then make sure to tick the box of desktop site. So in this process, we're going to have the need to switch to desktop site, and in the search bar, just start typing Chrome Web Store.google.com. Just press on enter. And from here, you are now redirected to Google Extensions page, and in the search bar, you can easily search for extensions. And just a reminder that not all extensions in this page will also be available on your mobile phone. It will still depend if the extension is accessible on your mobile phone. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily use extensions on Google Chrome on your mobile phone. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!